Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Tencent Holdings, TCEHY. Well, this is an interesting stock because it represents so-called binary or jumping stocks, meaning that its price action from one day to another is not smoothly translated, but it always goes with jumps. And here you can see, for example, about June 22nd, it's one, then second, and then third. So meaning like it's really surprise openings every day. So you can buy and then next day actually you open with surprise either it's jump up or it jump down. And in that sense, it's interesting stock because usually you decide for these stocks to buy or to sell at the end of the day, hoping for some action. And it looks like that it's very strong upwards wave is now in correction mode, so it opens some interesting buy opportunities. For that, let's do general analysis. As always, we start from pre-COVID depth. It was also 17-16 March for this stock, no surprise as for any majority stocks these days. And then we saw very strong uptrend wave that took place actually very long, and then now we see some correction phase, and usually after correction phase the secondary uptrend wave should take place, though the correction phase could be a little bit longer. And if you look how the stock developed, actually it was really following above this trend one, the green straight line that we're drawing here, and also using moving average 20 or 50, these blue and green lines depicted here with the legends as a support line. So what is happening here? It was waving upwards, going nicely, reconfirming moving average 20 as support line beginning of May, then making another wave going to trend 1 reconfirmation beginning of June, another one reconfirmation of trend 1 15 of June, then bigger wave with double acceleration went, and in beginning July it was in the maximum, also going RSI and oversold. And then actually the growth stopped here. You can clearly see it's formed actually like a triple top here, and which might even continue, and then it started bouncing around this line. So actually 8th of July it went down, up, down, up, down. And what is remarkable to see here, the two times this red resist line, let's call it R1, was confirmed with classical evening star candles, and the third time it was a small evening star, almost doji, not then with white one, but it didn't really go above, and then it dropped. And this is interesting actually to observe this behavior. And then it made the slide down, actually correction, let's say trend 2 or correction phase, and now expecting trend 3 here. So now we see the wave went up last 3 trading sessions, and today it showed another dark candle. And a dark candle on the upstream is usually indication of so-called evening star, although this time it's local evening star. So it's most expected that the price action will go down now. It will be correction, and correction might be either until the trend 2 line, or it might pierce it a little bit and go until this blue level. And that would be the area of, again, temporarily reversal play. So if you buy it here, it should rebound. And also here it's interesting to see until where it will rebound, because you see the red circles and the last dark circle that indicates actually tops of the waves. Last red circle and dark circle might be forming, still not confirmed. We will see it from another wave, but looks like they're forming a downtrend channel, which also indicates us the area until which actually the next wave will jump, and then it will decide itself. Well, I actually withdraw it, finding out that it's coincide with trend 3 line. Well, as we draw it. So that would be probably the bounce area, and then stock will decide. It first most probably will slightly slide down for further correction. Longer period it might go even further. It depends also on catalyst trades, but this stock really needs some correction because it was long time going really fast action, so it needs to reconfirm itself. And those levels like light blue level 1 and actually this darker blue level 2 level, you should keep them in mind as possible correction levels, not given it will go really that way, but if goes down, if you see clear downwards movement, those would be two supports line here. But for now, of course, the correction, the wave is broken, really the wave, and it should go down either towards trend line 2 here or the L1, and then it should rebound. After it rebounds, we will see how it goes further, depending on the action, possible catalyst. The trend will be clear then. That was it for Tencent Holding. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.